Cholera, a diarrheal disease caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae and characterized by profuse watery stools, is a WHO notifiable disease. Other symptoms which may accompany diarrhea include vomiting and muscle cramps, but hardly any abdominal discomfort. The outbreak in Lagos, in which at least 2 died, has been attributed partly to flood from rains and climate change.
Water from the sea is rising. We have tidal waves flowing into the city. You also have an admixture of contents of septic tanks mixing with water supplies.
Cholera keeps coming back because people have not been able to successfully keep their fecal matter separate from their food and their water.
Although certain factors which contribute to the spread of the disease seem to be beyond the control of the everyday person, medical personnel insist that there is a vital role each person must play to prevent it.
We need to keep our environment clean. We need to ensure that we're washing our hands, personal hygiene. When we touch anything that we think could have been contaminated, wash your hands. When you come back home from an outing, wash your hands. When you have been in contact with people, you've been shaking people all around and you're back, wash your hands.
But if an individual is already infected, quick action to prevent complications is necessary.
Anybody really that is having diarrhea should present at a health facility for assessment and then treatment, because the thing with cholera is that cholera with the diarrhea and the vomiting causes dehydration very fast.
Cholera, however, is a disease that must be tackled by individual and government alike for it to be convincingly eradicated from the society.
Architectural designs and things like that. How well spaced are our houses? The septic tanks, how well designed are they? You know, the source of water that we have, that we use, is it a common body water or is it isolated, like we have people digging boreholes here and there? What regulations do we even have about the digging of boreholes?
Water, sanitation and hygiene infrastructure. You have to plan source of water. You have to plan other sources of sanitation, and this has to be provided in the right quantity, in the right way, for the right environment. If you have a well, if you have a borehole, my advice would be to get in touch with your local government authority, your medical officer of health. Go seek advice. They have what it takes to advise you on how to make your wells, your boreholes safe.
Experts caution that cholera can be spread regardless of whether there are floods or not. They believe, however, that with engineering modifications, alterations in building design and behavioral changes, severe outbreaks can be stopped. Mary Alale Yusuf, Channels Television News.